Hi girls, it's Jenny with Planner Perfect, and in today's video, it is the June Planner and Journal subscription box reveal. Okay, you guys, for the June box, I have with me today the journal and the planner. I was not able to get the rest of the accessories with me for this reveal, so that is going to be a surprise. But I will tell you, it is all new artwork for the accessories, and I think you're absolutely going to love them. Majority of it is new art, and I think you're going to find a lot of some great favorites that are going to look good on top of covers for future planner and journal covers as well. So I can't wait for you guys to be surprised and be able to get to see those. So, and for this work that I did, I really wanted it to be fun, refreshing, new for summer. I have a lot of summer prints that are art, that I have already created and wanted to do just something other, something I haven't done. And so I think you guys are gonna really, really like this. Without further ado, I'm gonna turn you around. Okay, here we go. So the June sub box, all of our subscription boxes that come will look like this in this box here. There are different options you can choose from if you're new. The 10th, which is today, is the deadline for each new box for the next month. So today is the deadline to get in on this box, and then you have until the next 10th to get on with for the next box, July. So anyways, let's just dive right on into it. And remember, again, these are just the books. So I painted, I have a lot of summer already. So I was really thinking about how I wanted these to look. And I painted some cherries, okay? And I love them. And I actually think I had a gal ask me for cherries, and I thought, that would be just so perfect, I feel, for June. I love the green. I love everything about these cherries. These are also going to be coming to the charms, so that's going to be fun too. It's on the front and the back. I just think that it's just fresh and summery. These yummy cherries, I just thought it turned out really good. I hope you girls love it. Of course, if you're new, you've got the dashboard, you've got your June calendar, you've got space for goals, 4 pages of goals. Then you start with your weekly, and you can also choose your inside pages, which I choose .grid. I adore .grid. You can do blank .grid or graph. So there is that. And then I really liked this one, and I also loved just a little bit of the blues and the red and the greens. I liked all of this together, and it's casting all your cares upon him because he cares for you. And this one is really near to my heart anyways, because this is probably one of those things that can be something that we have a tendency to hold on to our cares rather than casting them. And we do have to be able to let them go in order to receive God's promises. And so it's all a part of our spiritual journey. I hope that this blesses you. It's just a way of a reminder to cast all your cares. And it's really a daily thing that you will do. So, and look at the back. Does it not look so good and match? I absolutely love how it turned out. And then this one is the journal. Again, this is for journaling. You can use it any way you like, .grid or whatever inside pages you've chosen for your box. And again, all of the stickers and tip-ins and washi, they're summery, they're fun. It's everything summer. So I really hope that you girls love this sneak peek of the planner and the journal for the Planner Perfect subscription box.